Here's how you can make really good Cajun pasta that's really good for meal prep. A thin layer of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of cumin, thin layer of garlic, thin layer of chili powder, thin layer of paprika, and just a little bit of turmeric. Pat it so the seasoning sticks. Should look nice and coated like this. Do the same thing for the other side. Put down some oil. Once it's nice and hot, we're gonna place down our chicken. Flip every like 2 minutes or so. Now, if you flip it too early or you don't add enough oil, then the seasonings will stick to the pan. Now, once you get a good sear on them like this, you want to turn the heat down a bit. Nice and juicy so far. Once the chicken's almost done, we're going to add a slab of butter. Place the chicken on top of the butter. Oh my god. Once the eternal temp reaches 165 minimum, then it's done. In a pan, we're going to go in with a huge chunk of butter and a big spoonful of minced garlic. Once the butter is nice and brown and foamy, we're going to add 1 cup of chicken broth and 1 cup of heavy cream. Mix it, and then we're gonna put the same seasonings as we put on the chicken. Then we're gonna add a cornstarch slurry to thicken it up, which is just cornstarch and water mixed together. Make sure you whisk it nice and good. Now add your al dente pasta. Now you really could use any pasta, but I prefer fettuccine or linguine. Gonna add our pasta to a bowl. And we're gonna add our chicken. This is like one of the best things I've ever made.